So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to add illustrative designs here on Visme. So once Visme's opened up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to this graphics tab and press on it. Now once you're here, if you scroll down to this option right here, this is illustrative, you can go ahead and view different illustrative icons, characters, illustrations, gestures, avatars, special effects, or shapes. So if you wanted to do perhaps illustrations, for example, you can go ahead and select this. You can go to business and finance if you want. And if you want to select this one of the piggy bank, you can go ahead and do that. Perhaps you want to view a different category. So you can go ahead and perhaps do maybe characters. You can add a character to your design. So if you wanted to go to a casual character, you can browse this, add a character to your design. And basically you can get creative, do whatever you got to do. If you want to go back and perhaps just search up an icon, you can search up how about a dog. I'll just do that. And you can view a whole bunch of different icons this way. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add illustrative designs here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.